friends, how are you? Welcome to our review channel. Now I am going to tell you about Samsung 192L Direct Cool Single Door 5-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 192L, good for couples and small families. Compressor type digital inverter compressor, consumes lower electricity when compared to normal compressors. Performance 5-star for energy saving up to 55%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Additionally, we get base stand with dryer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, which means onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Compressor type digital inverter compressor. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 15,699 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.